When someone mentions San Antonio, the Alamo is more than likely the first thing that comes to mind. However, today, I would like to recognize the cultural and geographical center of the city. I'm Andres Perez, a videographer here in San Antonio, and today I'll escort you as we explore one of the oldest churches in the United States, the San Fernando Cathedral. The construction of the cathedral began in 1738, just about 5 years before the Alamo Mission Church, making it the oldest church in Texas. In 2003, the cathedral underwent a massive restoration costing about $15 million, and it looks amazing. When you step inside, it's awe-inspiring. So I definitely recommend, if you're in San Antonio, to come check it out. Even if you're not Catholic, they are more than welcoming. However, if you don't get the opportunity, Sunday Mass is actually televised publicly, and those videos can be found online. In 1836, the cathedral played a role in the Battle of the Alamo, when Mexican General Antonio Lopez de Santa Anna hoisted a red flag of no quarter, meaning no mercy or take no prisoners, from the church's tower. At which point, Colonel Travis responded by shooting an 18-pound cannon shot from the Alamo, officially marking the beginning of the siege. After Santa Anna burned the bodies of the defenders of the Alamo, Juan Seguin is believed to have buried their ashes in a small box within the church. These remains were later found and put in the casket, which is now housed on the left side of the church. Today, more than 900 baptisms, 10 funerals, and 10 weddings take place annually here at the cathedral. But when the sun goes down, something incredible happens. You see, on June 13th, 2014, the cathedral debuted a magnificent visual art on the history of San Antonio. This is a captivating 24-minute light show that runs on the face of the church. The Saga was created by the renowned French artist Xavier de Richemont in order to help bring more people to the historic heart of the city. For this reason, this is free to the public, and the shows are 9, 9:30, and 10 p.m. on Tuesdays, Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays. So if you ever get the opportunity, I absolutely recommend coming down to check it out. Now, in the meantime, you can click on this video to see the entire show from the comfort of your home. If you would like to learn more about San Antonio and videography, then after you have subscribed, make sure to ring that bell so you can be notified when new videos come out.